In the 1980s, Taiwan's trade deficit with Japan was as high as $7 billion, and a majority of key components relied on Japan, such as rotary compressors for air conditioners. In order to ensure the independent development of air conditioning industry, and in response to the government's encouragement of the self-development of key components, Chairman Chen Felix Shentian of Sampo Corporation decided to dedicate his effort in the compressor industry. In 1988, Mr. Chen commissioned the Mechanical and Mechatronic Systems Research Laboratories of the Industrial Technology Research Institute to initiate quietly the independent research of rotary compressor under the code of Project R on compressor development and compressor production technologies. At the same time, Mr. Chen worked his best endeavor to visit Terra Company, Datong Company, Mr. Shi Chongqing, China Development Industrial Bank, and CT Bank, among others, to raise 1.2 billion NT dollars capital to establish Rechi Precision Company Limited on December 19, 1989. Also, the present Economics Minister, Shen Rongjin, was in the Industrial Development Bureau, who gave greatly to help Rechi to overcome all difficulties, and established in Guanyin Industrial Park in Taoyuan, which provided the strong foundation for Rechi's development and achievement of 30 years. To shorten the learning curve, accelerate the mass production, and ensure the excellent quality of products, Rechi decided to acquire advanced technology from abroad. In 1991, Rechi signed a technology transfer contract with Rotorex Corporation and sent product development engineers and technicians for technology transfer works from Rotorex Corporation in USA. In 1993, Rechi officially produced the first compressor in history. To gain customer confidence and develop product competitiveness, Rechi equipped the first production line in Taoyuan with the world's most advanced automatic production equipment and automatic storage retrieval system. As the compressor is the heart of air conditioners, because of absence of market performance or brand awareness and recognition, a setback was encountered in terms of sales, and Rechi experienced its first shutdown crisis when there were not many purchase orders. Insisting on sustainable investment for sustainable development, Chairman Mr. Chen and General Manager Ye Nanzhang dedicate great effort on marketing through collaborations among the management team, the R&D team, and the sales team. In 1994, U.S. leading air conditioner manufacturer Federer's CEO, Sal Giordano, visited Rechi in Taiwan and was amazed by Rechi's advanced automatic production equipment and excellent product quality. Sal Giordano immediately placed a 120,000 units order, marking Rechi's first step toward success and boosting the faith of all Rechi employees. With this success, Rechi was able to cultivate the Taiwan market as well as the China and Japan markets, bringing Rechi's compressors to officially enter the international stage. Envisioning the rapid growth of China's air conditioner market after the Chinese economic reform, General Manager Li Wenjin proposed the China Investment Proposal in 1999. This factory investment proposal was unanimously approved by the Board of Directors, initiating the Ingraining Taiwan, Sprouting China operating strategy. Apart from establishing a compressor plant in Humen and setting up a motor plant through a joint venture with GE in 2000, Rechi also set up a compressor plant in Huizhou through a joint venture with the TCL Group. To keep up with the market competition, Rechi adopted the white elephant strategy to pursue sales. To enhance cost competitiveness, Rechi set up a mechanical processing plant in Humen to achieve vertical integration. As its cost competitiveness rose, Rechi could raise annual production capacity to 6 million sets in 4 years. Gradually earned customers' recognition after its China investment through the active business solicitation of the Qingdao government and the support of higher strategic cooperation. Rich invested in a factory in the Qingdao Economic and Technological Development Zone in 2005. Under CEO Liu Jinqi's leadership, Rich grew steadily with annual sales exceeding 8 million sets through the steady operations, quality improvement, and horizontal and vertical integration strategy. In 2008, the global financial crisis also negatively affected Rich. As sales dropped significantly and the stock price fell drastically, the company was trapped in an operational crisis again. To seek for survival before further growth, in order to turn the crisis into opportunity, Chairman Chen Shenzhen gave the management a salary cut to cohere the organizational commitment. Through parallel integration and organization restructuring, a new management mechanism was launched to introduce the brand new vision, mission, and core value in order to progressively develop Rich's outstanding corporate culture. Apart from significantly boosting its execution power and competitiveness, Rich successfully went through the crisis the following year and created a new sales achievement exceeding 10 million sets in 2011. To challenge adversities, Rich strategically recruited China Steel Corporation and Sharp Corporation of Japan in 2010. In addition to radical amelioration of the management and market presence, this act enabled its continuous development into a market-leading brand and initiated its strive for global expansion strategy to realize its corporate vision, create unlimited possibilities for the energy-saving industry, and be the top provider of proactive energy-saving products. Rich established Dyna Rich Corporation in 2013 to engage in the development of energy-efficient brushless DC motor industry. At the same time, Rich set up brushless DC motor factories in Pingdong, Taiwan, and Rich Energy-Saving Mechatronics Industrial Park in Zhejiang. In 2014, Rich established an inverter compressor plant with the capacity of 6 million sets a year in the Rich Energy-Saving Mechatronics Industrial Park in Zhejiang to mark the new era of Rich's two core business lines, brushless DC motors and inverter compressors. In 2015, Rich began to set up offices in India, USA, Thailand, and Japan, providing quick and thoughtful services to meet the customer's needs. Based on the strategic thoughts, resources exchange, and reciprocity, Rich continues to grow and create win-win situations with suppliers and customers. We appreciate your full support and accompany with Rich. Over the past 30 years, we received the greatest support from excellent customers and suppliers worldwide, as well as domestic banks, and we are thankful for this. Furthermore, through the assistance given by the government authorities to our production bases worldwide, we survive and grow stronger. To challenge the future, we will follow the core strategy: transform, insist, move to our future, and the vision to create unlimited possibilities for the energy-saving industry and be the top provider of proactive energy-saving products. It's grateful to have all of you. Let's move forward and shine brightly together.
瑞智深感谢有你。